The ultimate guide to optimism. Have fun staying poor. Welcome to the channel. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Optimism is built according to a strong design philosophy that stands on four main pillars: simplicity, pragmatism, sustainability, and, of course, optimism. It's important to understand these pillars as they heavily influence the design of optimism as a whole. Optimism is designed to be as simple as possible for the feature set it provides. Ideally, optimism should be composed of the minimum number of moving parts required for a secure, scalable, and flexible L2 system. This simplicity gives optimism's design a number of significant advantages over other more complex L2 constructions. Simplicity reduces engineering overhead, which in turn means we can spend our time working on new features instead of recreating existing ones. Optimism prefers to use existing battle-tested Ethereum code and infrastructure where possible. The most visible example of this philosophy in practice is the choice to use Geth as Optimism's client software. When dealing with critical infrastructure, simplicity is also security. Every line of code we write is an opportunity to introduce unintentional bugs. A simple protocol means there's less code to write and, as a result, less surface area for potential mistakes. A clean and minimal codebase is also more accessible to external contributors and auditors. All of this serves to maximize the security and correctness of the Optimism protocol. Simplicity is also important for the long-term vision of optimism. By limiting the amount of code that we write on top of Ethereum tooling, we're able to spend most of our time working directly with existing code bases. Engineering effort that goes into Optimism can also directly benefit Ethereum, and vice versa. This will only become more pronounced as the Optimism protocol solidifies and existing resources can be redirected towards core Ethereum infrastructure. For all its idealism, the design process behind Optimism is ultimately driven by pragmatism. The core Optimism team has real-world constraints, the projects that build on Optimism have real-world needs, and the users that engage with Optimism have real-world problems. Optimism's design philosophy prioritizes user and developer needs over theoretical perfection. Sometimes the best solution isn't the prettiest one. Optimism is also developed with the understanding that any core team will have limited areas of expertise. Optimism is developed iteratively and strives to continuously pull feedback from users. Many core Optimism features today were only made possible by this iterative approach to protocol development. Guys, make sure like, comment and let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to my channel. Have fun staying poor.